All right, guys, here we go. Leaf Pearl. Random letters. Last name, number 2. We are on 6. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jay Bradley down to Chris. On 6, and your letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's that. Let me put you guys in order here. M's a pretty good one. Nice burst. Six there. 6 there. Thought you were feeling lucky, Eddie. He said, man, T sucks. All right, boys, good luck. You got the same letter twice in a row, Lemmy? Silver Sheen, we are going to do Leaf Pearl number 3 after this. Trump Auto coming.
Is it a good letter? That's the
3 and 4 from a fresh case. All right, guys, good luck. He says Otani. Yeah, exactly my point. First up, 3 of 10. Cal Ripken Pearl goes to the R. R is Sox Breaker. Like I said, I'll send you guys the bags with them. It is fun, Eddie. 1 of 1. That looks like Roger. 1 of 1 Staubach Pearl. S is Chris. Stuff is exciting. It's different. Yeah, you did, Matt. Five of 9 Pearl Magnificent Materials Pele. P-Spot. Nate. These are game used. Wow, nice. Everything Leaf is usually game used. Pele. What up, Norm? 3 of 3. Wayne Rooney. I don't even know who Wayne Rooney is, if I'm honest with you. He looks like a soccer player to me. Soccer. R spot. Socks again. Oh, he's a rugby player. No, he's not. He's a soccer player. He's huge in England. I didn't know that. He's the ping pong champion. I like that, True Blue. Take your spots in number 3. See how fast we can fill it. 2 of 4. That looks like Ricky Henderson to me. H. Socks breaker again. Took 4 in each? Hell yeah. Let's rip. The next one is a fresh case. You know how in Flawless they have like rubies and emeralds? Mm-hmm. I wonder if these are just colored pearls.
Yeah. Well, no, because they
Do they have different names for them?
not different names, but they do come in different colors depending on.
Really?
Yeah.
4 of 4 Paragon signature Nolan Ryan. Wow, R is crushing. Hal said they're anal beads.
Yeah.
Rooney's your favorite soccer player? Nice. Nolan Ryan. That is a sweet one. Cut. Come back to that one. That was the cut. Three of 4. Could it be Charles Barkley? Wow, look at the Sixer patch. Barkley, Gary, nice.
That's pretty cool.
Three of 4, 34. Two of 10. Giannis Antetokounmpo, Razor. Pearl. A spot. One of 7. Curry auto. Wow. C. Hal. Nice. Not bad, sir. We got this one left and the cut. You get a cut every box. Oh, what the hell is this? Don't even tell me this is the Mickey Mantle. Wow, Mantle and DiMaggio!
That's the one I was telling you about. That's literally the sell sheet card.
Wow!
That is game used, their names stitched out in different colors from the jerseys.
Wow!
That's literally the card I was trying to tell you about that one day.
Wow, that is so sick. 1 of 1 game worn DiMaggio and Mickey Mantle. I saw the 7 on there and I was like, holy shit, I know that's what that is. Who's got D? Rick, and M is Burris. Yeah, do you guys want to split it? You're both on YouTube. What a random if you guys decide to do it. Wow, that is huge, man. Merv, I've never heard of them guys.
Right. What sport's that?
Wow, what? Cut it in half? Let's do it. Guys, I can send you like a group text, the 3 of us, if you guys don't want to random that. Wow, that is so awesome. All right, we have the cut.
Imagine if this cut's crazy.
It's out of 11. Sandy Koufax.
That's pretty cool.
K. Chase, there you go.
That's pretty dope.
I'll text you guys both, James and Rick. Koufax, K. Wow, what a card, man. Magnum Opus. Joe DiMaggio, Mickey Mantle.
Yeah, that's one of their sell sheet cards.
1 of 1, game worn. Holy smokes. Great break.
That's so cool.
Socks. Yeah, there's definitely some left. Wow, that's so sick, dude.
EMUs, that's crazy when EMUs like certified. Oh, this is that guy Brian, right?
Yeah. He's a guy that owns a Leaf. Wow, what a hit.
That's a really neat card.
Any randoms go to the house. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks, Rick and James. I'll keep that one in my PC forever.
We would not want you guys